So you want to do this if you have a MOEN 1222 cartridge you want to replace and make sure it doesn't stick. This is a really important part. You take your drill. This is a 600 grit sandpaper. This is called a Mandrel, a long thing. Slide your sandpaper into them here. Wrap it up like that. You pull it out. Get your cup. That's the liquid inside of here is going to be vinegar. Vinegar and toothbrush. Go like that. What this does is it prepares the surface inside because it'll probably have a lot of buildup depending on the type of water you have to be ready for proper installation of the new one so it doesn't stick. So here you go. Do that. Guarantee it'll be a lot better than just putting it in there without any proper preparation. All right, best of luck. Let me know how it works out for you.